You have, of course, heard of Wi-Fi. It's what connects your devices, your computer or phone, to the internet. Simply put, Wi-Fi is the backbone of the internet. Without it, the internet wouldn't be possible. Well, as I uncovered, Elon Musk is planning to begin rolling out a radical change to Wi-Fi and to the internet itself. I call it the Hypernet. In short, as Elon Musk revealed at a private conference, he plans to cut out traditional wireless networks and internet providers and instead beam ultra-fast, reliable, unlimited internet through the air directly to you. Now, no more cell towers or anything like that. Instead, high-speed internet will simply be beamed straight to you at all times. As you'll see here today, for you this means speeds up to 20 times faster wherever you are. No more expensive internet bills. In fact, not only could the Hypernet be up to 20 times faster, it could also cost you far less than what you pay now. And no more spending hours on the phone with someone in another country trying to fix your internet when it goes out, or waiting long hours for a repairman to come to your home. Let me explain. As you may know, there are a few big problems with how we receive cell signals and internet coverage now. First, while a lot of people are excited about 5G as the future, the truth is deploying it is costly and takes years. Second, because the average 5G tower only works within 1,000 feet or so, to deploy it nationally requires tens of thousands of these towers to be installed. And that, as you could imagine, costs hundreds of billions of dollars, maybe even more. Finally, nearly every other cell signal and Wi-Fi signal works the same way. They're all local solutions with limited range. If you move out of range, well, that's why you lose the internet. That's why it is nearly impossible to get reliable service in remote areas. So it doesn't matter how fast things like 5G technologies are, if they're all local signals where you have to be in range to gain access, forget ever having local coverage. Because with this new era of internet comes worldwide coverage. Musk's Hypernet began with a simple question. What if they could just eliminate the need for any kind of tower at all, and instead beam internet straight through the air, directly to your device? It would be faster and better than the internet you receive now. Even 5G wouldn't be able to compete with it. Incredibly, that's exactly what Elon may be planning to do. As you're about to see, he's quietly pioneered plans for a constellation of highly advanced satellites. Satellites to beam uninterrupted, high-speed internet from space directly to you, your phone, computer, tablet, or any other device. No need for a cell tower or anything like that. After all, under this plan, they simply aren't necessary anymore. Instead, high-speed internet will simply be beamed from space, through air, directly to your device. Your device will simply always be connected to these satellites. These satellites will wrap the Earth, forming a network to deliver lightning-fast internet to every inch of the planet. Already, the media are beginning to catch on to what he's up to. Elon Musk's next big thing is 40,000 satellites beaming broadband. Elon Musk says he's about to deliver the future of high-speed internet. Elon Musk's SpaceX could become aerospace giant worth $120 billion. To date, Musk has quietly launched more than 540 satellites in preparation for his reveal, with plans to launch another 42,000 in the coming years and decades. You may have even seen a few. Reports are coming in from all over the country of folks spotting these first satellites. You can see an image I grabbed here. If you look up in the sky on a clear night, odds are that you'll see them yourself. Once in place, these satellites will revolutionize the internet forever. Musk's Hypernet could provide the cheapest, fastest, most reliable internet ever, because this brand new internet is cutting out all traditional cell towers. There's no need for massive infrastructure to be built around the world to provide internet. After all, deploying the old internet requires digging up entire neighborhoods, installing bulky fiber optic cables for miles to the ground, building new cell towers, and more. That, as you can imagine, costs billions and billions of dollars for these telecom companies. Take 5G, for instance. Early reports show that building the infrastructure for 5G will cost an estimated $130 billion. And that's in America alone. The Hypernet doesn't require any of that. For consumers, this means those massive savings can be passed along to you. Instead, Elon may deliver lightning-fast internet up to 20 times faster than what you receive now everywhere in the world for dirt cheap. Once Musk's new Hypernet rollout is complete, you'll always be able to receive ultra-fast internet, uninterrupted, unlimited internet everywhere you go.